Learning can take place anywhere, at home, in school, online, in bed, and right here. You can follow all of our social medias at the end of this video, and we hope you enjoy.
We're United Tutoring, an organization where tutors volunteer to teach underprivileged kids and help them reach their full potential. Today, we will be learning about adding integers. So you probably already know how to add and subtract positive numbers. It gets a little trickier with negative numbers, but we'll get through it. So let's model the problems out so that we understand it better. So positive will be a blue circle and negative will be a red circle. So if we have one blue circle and one red circle, the pair cancels each other out, making them equal to 0. And this models the equation 1 plus negative 1 equals 0. So now let's try a few more problems. Okay, so the first problem is 4 plus 2. Since both of these numbers are positive integers, we would use blue circles. So 4 blue circles plus 2 blue circles equals 6 blue circles, making 4 plus 2, 6. Now in this question, both signs are negative. So we would have 4 red circles and 2 red circles. And that adds up to 6 red circles, making the answer negative 6. So when we do this problem, we will have 4 red circles for negative 4 and 2 blue circles for 2. So now if we remove all the pairs, we are left with 2 negative circles, making negative 4 plus 2, negative 2. So this problem is the same as the previous one, except the signs are switched. So we would have 4 blue circles plus 2 red circles, and then we would remove the neutral pairs, and we are left with 2 blue circles. So 4 plus negative 2 equals 2. Okay, so now pause the video and try to simplify these expressions by yourself. Make sure to use the hints if you are stuck. So you should have gotten negative 46 plus negative 16 equals negative 62. And 98 plus negative 56 equals 42. So now that we know how to simplify these expressions, we have to learn how to evaluate variable expressions. So to do this, we have to substitute a value for the variable in the expression. We can use both positive and negative numbers to do this. So the question states, evaluate x plus 6 when x equals negative 8. So we would substitute negative 8 for x. So we would write it as negative 8 plus 6 equals, so negative 8 plus 6 equals negative 2. Now let's try to evaluate an expression with two variables. So evaluate 3n plus m when n equals 9 and m equals negative 2. So we would substitute the values into the expression. So we would do 3 times 9, because 9 is for n, plus negative 2 for m. So we would multiply first. 3 times 9 is 27, plus negative 2, and the answer would be 25. So in word problems, there are words that hint that we have to do addition. Some examples of these words are sum, altogether, increase, join, plus, total, combined, in all, and more than. Okay, so now let's try some application questions. The temperature in Fairbanks, Alaska was negative 7 degrees in the night and then increased by 24 degrees in the morning. What was the temperature in Fairbanks, Alaska in the morning? So when we read this problem, we see the word increased. So we immediately know that we have to do addition. So we start out at negative 7 degrees in the night and then we increase by 24 degrees in the morning. So negative 7 plus 24 equals 17. So the temperature in Fairbanks, Alaska in the morning was 17 degrees. Okay, so our next question is Fred owes $146 on his credit card. He charges $30 more. What is his new balance? So in this question, the key word is more. More shows us that we have to do addition. The word owes shows us that we have to put a negative sign in front of 146. So the expression would be negative 146 plus 30. So negative 146 plus 30 equals negative 116. So Fred's new balance would be $116.